Reported by Reuters, Toyota Motor Corporation on Tuesday said it has suspended operations at all 14 of its assembly plants in Japan due to a production system malfunction, bringing domestic output to the standstill at the world's biggest selling automaker. A spokesperson said that the glitch is preventing Toyota from ordering components and its cause is under investigation, though it is likely not due to cyber attack. According to Reuters report, Toyota suspended 12 plants in its home market from Tuesday morning and added the final 2 from the afternoon. The spokesperson said it was unclear how much output would be lost. The plants together account for about a third of the automaker's global production, Reuters calculations showed. Toyota's domestic production had been on the rebound after a series of output cuts it blamed on semiconductor shortage. Output was up 29% in January to June, the first such increase in 2 years. Its Japan output averaged about 13,500 vehicles daily in the first half of the year, Reuters calculation showed. That excludes vehicles from group automakers Daihatsu and Hino. The report says operations were halted for a day last year when a supplier suffered a cyber attack, hampering Toyota's ability to order parts. Toyota resumed operations using a backup network. Tuesday's incident is having a knock-on effect. Group firm Toyota Industries said it has partially suspended operations at 2 engine plants due to the automaker's glitch. Toyota is a pioneer of just-in-time inventory management, which keeps down costs by means supply chain snarls put production at risk. While the cause of the latest malfunction was unclear, corporate Japan has been on alert in recent days as businesses and government offices reported harassing phone calls. The government said the calls were likely from China and related to Japan's release of treated radioactive water from the wrecked Fukushima nuclear power plant in the Pacific Ocean. Toyota's share price was up to 0.12% at 2,439 yen in afternoon trade after spending much of the morning in negative territory. I am Lovely Montoya of Manila STV.